Welcome to Easter painting video. I have 3 little friends today together with me, and guess what we will be painting? Easter rabbits! Yoo-hoo! They're so sweet. I have my little setting here. All the necessary tools are with me. Water, palette, watercolors, pencils, erasers, and my outline. After I transferred outline, which you can get as well, with an elastic eraser, I'm removing excess amount of graphite so that there's no smudging during painting process. Easter rabbit is mostly in brown color, so I will be mixing several brown color tones. Brown watercolor mix can be achieved by mixing yellow, red, and blue primaries. I'm taking Indian yellow, alizarin crimson, and ultramarine blue. You take what you have. So one is more warmer orangey. Second, using same watercolors, I can make more cooler by adding more of blue color, and it's slightly different. Then another one that will be more yellowish, meaning that I need more yellow, a little bit of red, and a little bit of blue. And my brown mix is just a little bit more blue, is more yellowish brown. And for the eyes of Easter rabbit, I need something almost black, for which I'm not taking clean black color. It's boring, sorry, but I'm taking indigo, perylene violet, so dark blue, dark violet, or dark red, what you have. Experiment with pigments you already have in your paint box, and transparent yellow or any other yellow. And I'm getting rather dark black color. Adjusting to the requirements that I need. Perfect. I will also need a little bit of pink for the inner part of ears with a little touch of red. Try to not put high expectation for your work. This should be a fun way to paint a rabbit and just to have a nice illustration for your maybe Easter table. You can make this even as a centerpiece in your side table. So first I applied water with round synthetic brush, taking my pink, a little bit too pink. Now with wet brush smoothing. Now I'm taking finer tip brush and I want to add eyes, because without eyes it all looks kind of awkward. And for the eyes, I have this dark color. Another thing for the eyes, we have there a shiny dots. We need to keep those shiny dots unpainted. It will give us the needed shine. I managed to paint Easter Bunny. We don't have time to finish the whole painting here, so I will move to my studio, and I will definitely finish Easter eggs as well. But while we have an opportunity here, we have a lovely bunny, and I am looking at the bunny eyes, and I see that even here looking, we have this shiny part. I will work a little bit more on eyes part, and that is the part that when you are painting animals is very important. Eyes give life to your illustration or painting. If you are painting a live subject, people, animals, birds, eyes are one of the key features to make them look alive. And we are back in the studio. In the studio, I don't have real bunnies, but at least we have a candle holder with one big rabbit. And we can continue with our painting. I want to add some details to eyes to make them. So I have my color here. Now that I'm at my studio desk, I can see a little bit, maybe more precise, some things that I need to do. Need a little bit of depth. For the Easter eggs, I will be using round synthetic brush. This one first, I want to paint blue. I'm taking ultramarine blue, not too much. Washing my brush and starting with water. I have there some few drawn grass. 1 to 2. I am leaving them out. I'm not covering, applying water there. And water just enough so you can easily move watercolors. My darkest area is lower part, so I'm starting with watercolors there. Again, avoiding grass and those few flowers that I have there. watercolors are already nicely spreading. Now cleaning my brush and pushing watercolors towards the outer part. A little bit more watercolors on one side to create dimension. So we have shadow and light and some halftones to create more round appearance for round subject. A little bit more with stippling in. Closer to this. It's important to keep light area. Final touches. And I'm finishing up my Easter bunny with Easter eggs. I think this is a really nice composition to try out your watercolor mixes, your brush strokes, and how to get those smooth layers. Thank you very much for watching. Happy, merry, beautiful Easter weekend. Comment if you have questions and suggestions. Thank you for watching.